The Story of Icy the Ice Cube by Shravani Williams. How does a solid turn into a liquid? It was 8:30 p.m. in H2O World, and Icy, the famous ice cube, was going to bed. When he wondered what it would feel like being all watery like his friend Bluo. Icy got up that morning and he felt very strange, as if he was melting and starting to go on this journey from a solid to a liquid to a gas, and back to a solid. He wondered, am I beginning that transformation now? Icy was going to the park to meet his friend Sammy. How is Sammy going to react to Icy when he looks like he is falling apart? Icy and Sammy think that Blue can help him with what has been happening to Icy. They meet Blue, and Blue explains, "Oh, I know what you're going through, Icy. You are going through the changes that I went through. You are changing from a solid into a liquid. Energy is being added to you, and it's affecting you in a certain way. Adding energy means you're receiving heat, and your molecules are becoming less dense, and they can move around a little bit. Molecules change from the solid to liquid molecules by sticking together like glue. In the solid, they are really tight and they only vibrate with each other. In the liquid form, they have little separation and also little space to move." How do you get from a liquid to a gas? During the week, Icy has gone from a solid to a liquid, and now he's on his way to transform into a gas. One afternoon, Icy was walking in the park when he stopped and wondered, how do you really become a gas? He decided to see his friend Steamy and ask him, what happens when I turn into a gas from a liquid? Molecules change from the liquid to gas molecules because if you add more heat or energy, the molecules have more separation, forming a gas. As we see in the illustration, that moving from a liquid to a gas is called evaporation, and moving from a gas to a liquid is called condensation, which is a liquid. Icy loved being a liquid and transforming into a gas, but he missed being his normal self. Blue told Icy that he needed to go home and get into the freezer if he wanted to be a solid again. How do you get from a liquid to a solid? When a liquid becomes cold, it loses energy and the molecules become closer together and more dense, eventually forming a solid. I hope you enjoyed and learned from my presentation. Thank you very much.